Epidemius is a greater demon pledged in service to the Grandfather, Nurgle. Amongst the 7 proctors of pestilence responsible for the cataloguing of the myriad diseases cultivated by its liege, this tyrant borne aloft a rotten palanquin presides over its plague legion to better observe the effects of the Plague Lord's afflictions. Gleaning all manner of insight from the soul trails left from the misery of those suffering from such virulent buboes, siphoning a fragment of the victim's very essence in the process, with each strike of its bell, Epidemius rejoices in another spirit, embraced by the great corrupter. Studying within the thickest of outbreaks, attracted by the foulest of rotten filth, this ascended plague-bearer surveys decay and pestilence aplenty, taking note of every sore, pustule, and blemish to the skin. Its every note, etched into its parchment, instantaneously assessed by the Plague-Father to be incorporated into its next fell bruise, Epidemius gains favour the more it writes, bestowed commensurate blessings for its toil. Ordering its palanquin carriers to carry it into the heart of combat engagements, though its nurgling bearers struggle to hold Epidemius' immense bloat, their task shall never end, as the Talisman of Nurgle chronicles endlessly for the Grandfather's alchemies.